Yeah, some of these might got some dirt on it. But you know what? A little bit of dirt doesn't kill anybody. Where the f did my dog go? Benny! This guy just ran away. For a second, it scared me. But you know what? We found him, so we are okay. Where is my knife? We forgot a thingamajigger, fork or whatever, so we're using knife as utensils today. Alright, these are done. First fry, man. Yeah, that's good. Alright, fries are done. It's time to start these burgers. Yeah, I know, he can like just smell it, I bet. I got so much meat crud on my hand and I don't know how to get rid of it because I have no napkins because we're roughing it, so we're just gonna rub my hand on this. Yeah, now your hand's frozen, but at least it's clean, right? Right there, probably a good spot. Not too hard, but... So I'm like going through everything right now. I forgot the cheese. Forgot a couple things, but you know what? At least we got an egg and some apple. So, hey, stop that. At least it's not a total loss. Oh, I broke the yolk. This egg got a little burnt, but I'm okay with burnt. Or I can just... Benny, come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Good boy. Yeah. Eat that. Wish I could give you some of these onions because I make kind of a lot of onions too. But I can't really. Sorry. So I kind of got to hurry up and eat because I just realized I didn't even bring a light, like a headlamp. So I'm roughing it right now. Hey guys, so I just realized that the last part of my video that I recorded didn't record because my GoPro died. But it was pretty much just me eating my burger, and so you guys didn't miss much. But if you guys could leave a like, subscribe, you know, maybe even a comment, I don't know. But I would really appreciate that. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day. Aloha.